So hola, this is Alan from the Amfi Stack. So we are glad to be the Brazil. This is our first time to be the South American. So let's give you all the guys like to introduce more about Amfi Stack. So you can take a look, guarantee for this of them board. So we have the Amfi Stack core, so which is 5 by 5 centimeters. So this is also what our name coming from, the modularized 5 by 5 centimeters stackable IoT development kit. So we have the different kind of Amfi Stack core with the push button, with the touch screen, and even and the screen camera. And this is one we call the module. So we have BLT, LoRa, and the LTEs, all kinds of the modules. And we have the different function of modules, like DC driver or different kind of drivers. And we have the basements with battery inside or with like a PoE connection, RS-Wi-Fi connection. The feature of Amfi Stack is really stackable. So you just stack all them on. This is just complete like a finisher products. If you like the different module, just swap them away. So you may have the different applications. Okay, and we do have the Amfi Stick C series, which is a small screen and a small battery inside, which is more for wearable usage. And we have the Atom series, which is for multiple LT nodes that no need battery inside and connect with the USB cable. And the STEM series is more like a module. So each of them have the ESP32 inside module. You can stack them on your main board. Okay, and we do have some new styles like a Nano C6. You see the size is the same size, and the Nano C6 is the ESP32 C6 inside, which support for like Meta Suite, all the kind of things. So all these the different modules we call for Amfi Stack, and all have the ESP32 inside. All these can be the different applications. Yeah. So for fast IoT and deployments, we do have a bunch of units. This kind of sensors. So all these sensors with a 4-pin group connector. You can connect all this one to this Amfi Stack core or this core that's just plug and play to make it work. So looking away, we do have bring some new things. The first one we see that is the Amfi Computer ADV. It's just the advanced version of Amfi Computer. Amfi Computer is already very popular in Amfi users. And this one we are adding with the SPI port. So this one can support for this LoRa and GPS module inside. Now you can use the Amfi Stack Computer to play with application like MasterStick directly. Okay. And it is also new product we call it like Amfi Table. It's based on ESP32P4 and 5-inch display. And for these devices, we are adding this ARM module, which is extra. It's a local AI chipset company. We are using the AX630 modules, adding this ARM function to the table file. So let's just have a testing for this one. So it will tell you what inside about the images about that. So all this, just remember all this is running like the offline. So it's ARM module, yeah. And we do have some like new modules for the keyboard supported for the adding for the tape file. So now you may have let's see the keyboard. So let's see, Hola. Okay, so you are just like this one. You can play a big size of the keyboard with the main controller, IoT controllers. Yeah. This is one device is what we call the AI device. We call Xiaozhi AI. Is a local China AI devices. So we using this one. You can just talk your voice with these devices, and it can just give you some like answers to different dimension steps. And one feature of this one is one with 4G modules inside. So even if you are going outside, no Wi-Fi, you can talk to them, and it can give you some feedback. Yes. Okay. So this is Paper S3. Paper S3 is e-ink IoT devices based on ESP32C3, and we have some application for that. Let me just okay, hold on. So we do some applications similar like Kindle. Okay. So okay. Okay. You can read a book on the M5 Paper S3 now. Yeah. And we do have a new ink color ink devices, and this is Taper 5. And this time we have bring some new application like cyber security, similar to Bruce and Nemo, and this kind of the for security purpose that this is also reached by Brazil. So FunCS used the most for this one. Yeah. Last one is the AI chatbot based on ESP32 S3 inside. And you see we have the button. This one with the speaker and the microphone. Just stick them on. This can be the AI chatbot. You can connect to the like OpenAI and to like Xiao AI, the different AI. So you just talk to them, and it can give you some robotic answers.